Thank you, sir. To our beloved ASEC Barilla, Department of Information, Communication, and Technology, to the First Lady of San Isidro, siyempre ang aming kagalang-gala, Ama Karen May Hernandez, and also for the Edgepont Human Capital, Sir Cyrus Cortez, to our keynote speaker, Sir William Walters, and from the Habitat for Humanity, Ms. Vanessa Lee Calixto, to all the guests, to our beloved principal, Ma'am Maribel Bulalayaw, to my co-PSDSN, Sir August Zamora, and Ma'am Mil Flores. A pleasant and what a beautiful afternoon to all. In behalf of our school's division superintendent, Dr. Doris D.J. Estalilla, we would like to thank our external stakeholders, the Edgepoint, headed by Sir Cyrus Cortez and Sir William, and also the Habitat for Humanity, for choosing this school, Southfield 8B National High School, as one of your recipients of this project, computers. Palakpakan po natin siya. Palakpakan natin po silang lahat for giving us blackboards, TV, sound system, computer room with aircon. So we can say, what a beautiful computer room for our learners. You help our people, our learners to improve a place they can achieve quality education. You help us to give more Filipino families a decent home, a bigger opportunities, and a better chance to improve their way of life. Ako po ang unang punong guro dito sa Southfield 8B National High School. Ako po ang nag-establish ng paaralan ito. Ang laki na po ng pinagbago ng paaralan ito. Siyempre, sa tulong ng aming mga barangay captains, Ma'am Karen Hernandez, ang aming Municipal Mayor Jenarone Evangelista, and all the LDUs. You can now assure us that this project, Computer Laboratory, will be taken care of. Give love and concern so that the next group of our learners will be benefited and used for the purpose of achieving quality education. Para sa matatag, batang makabata, batang makabansa. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I salute for these two organizations for choosing Southfield 8B National High School. Maraming salamat po.
I would also like to call on Ms. Mil Flores, PSDS for Cluster 2, to say a few words as well.